Hello guys, welcome back. So, have you had this combo before? Tomatoes and watermelon juice. That is what we are going to be making right now with some lemon to top it up. Yeah, we'll be adding lemon to it. So, let's get right into it, guys. So, the tomatoes is already washed, and we just remove this part. Cut into two. It's very cool. It has been on the fridge since yesterday in the fridge, you know. So let's chop the tomatoes. Let's blend it. So the tomatoes is very well blended. We are going to add watermelon. Blend. Let's extract the lemon. So I'm pouring in the lemon, then I will blend it. Guys, our juice is ready. Yummy. Look at that, guys. Wow. Cheers, guys. Cheers. This is yummy. This is powerful, guys.